Let's look at the app as a driver and walk through an inspection. Once the driver is logged in, they will see a list of vehicles. After choosing their vehicle, the driver can mark it as a favorite to ensure it is always easy to find at the top of the list. Once a vehicle is chosen, the details page will show the information about the vehicle, and after inspections have been created, there will be a list of recent inspections. Selecting New will start a new inspection. Notice that the company, vehicle, and date information is filled in already, saving the driver time and aggravation from the repetitive daily task. The driver can input the address with the click of a button. Next, the driver needs to input the current vehicle odometer reading. If the driver forgets to fill in this field or any other required field, there will be a reminder shown when an attempt to review the inspection is done. The user just dismisses the message and fills in the field to keep going. Notice the schedule used for the inspection is shown and chosen based upon the information defined in the app for the vehicle. Different types of vehicles may require different schedules, and these are set by the operator according to the regulations when adding vehicles to the system. Next comes the appropriate scheduled parts to be reported if a defect is found. Only defects need to be reported, and when finished, the driver simply scrolls to the bottom of the parts list and selects the declaration stating that no defects were found. This will mark the parts not reported with a passing value. If defects were found, the driver can select Report for that part, and the defects appropriate to the schedule will be shown with any accompanying notes for the driver's convenience. Notice that if a defect is chosen, the defect declaration changes, and the user must acknowledge the new option. The driver also has the option to add a trailer. It can be added as part of the initial inspection or at any time later in the day. Selecting the Add Trailers button will show the list of trailers where the driver can choose what they need. Selecting Done will return the driver back to the inspection with a newly added section for the trailer showing all the scheduled parts listed for the trailer as they were earlier for the vehicle. Repeat the process of inspecting parts and recording any defects. Mark the declaration for the trailer, and then the inspection is ready for a signature. Once the driver's signature is recorded in the app, signing inspections is only a press of a button. Since not all inspections are done by the driver, there is an option to leave the driver unassigned. But for this case, the inspector and the driver are the same. Review the inspection and save. Once back to the vehicle details view, the new inspection will be shown at the top of the list. There will also be a temporary notification letting the driver know that their inspection report was successfully sent to the operator. Notice the vehicle status, trailer status, and overall status that will tell the driver whether or not the vehicle is safe to drive. The overall status will correspond to the most severe of all reported defects from either the vehicle or the trailer.